Well, I can't think of a better time to do a little old unboxing. Shall we go outside and do it? I think not. Let's do it inside. Okay, where it's warm. The fine folks over at Saker have seen fit to send me another package to unbox, another item, another product. And right off, I'll tell you, they're not sponsoring this video, but they did send me this free to review, an honest review, of course, just like I did the little Saker mini electric chainsaw y'all watched. We're going to unbox this little 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner from Saker. Multifunction, strong suction power, abundant accessories, and I think there's a picture of the accessories somewhere. Yeah, here we go. We have some accessories there. A USB charging cable comes with it, a storage bag, stainless steel filter screen, air extraction nozzle, long blowing pipe, pipe blowing round brush, long flat suction brush, floor brush. You have a filter in there and a short blowing nozzle and the machine itself. So let's unbox this thing. Of course, we have to use our fancy schmancy little unboxing knife. And we get the plastic off of here. First, rip it off. And hear the ASMR as I take the plastic off for you to enjoy the unboxing experience. And let's see, how's it open up? Is it open? Okay, it's a little fold over flap here we're going to undo. And what do we see first? We see the little carrying bag right here. It feels like it's some kind of a felty thing. A little interior here you can see that should be good to store it in. Don't see no paperwork yet. We have some utensils here that I mentioned. So this is a little attachment for the nozzle. We'll set that aside, and we have this is the little filter. Set that aside, and here's another little nozzle attachment. Looks like some little adapter attachment there, and another little brushy attachment there. What else we have? A little funnel attachment. Named all these at the beginning of the video, but it seems so tiny and little, which is probably why it's called a, no, it's not called a mini, it just says a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, but it is tiny enough to be called a mini. Here's another attachment. And what else do we have? More attachments. Another little brushy thing here. Attachment. What else? Another little funnel attachment here. So they give you plenty of attachments. Oh, here's the USB charge cable. It is USB, which seems to be everything these days, these mini tools here. USB-C, which is great. And this looks like, appears to be the filter that we'll be using. Put that down. What else do we have? Piece of cardboard. And here's the machine itself. We'll leave it in the bubble wrap just for a second. So I wanted to get the little instruction book out here. See what we have in the instruction book. We have the instruction book in the instruction book. Saker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner instruction manual. Okay. Warnings, product packaging list, function, introduction of parts. There's the warning, and there's the parts list, packaging list. And it tells you all about it here. Function, introduction of parts, usage method. It shows you the charging and nice. Actually, I can read these. I read it pretty good without squinting. So thanks to Saker for the nice large lettering here in the instruction manual with pictures too. How cool is that? And got pictures with it. Okay. So we're going to get it out of the little bubble wrap here. Right there it is, folks. Oh, it has a filter on it, so they sent you a spare filter. I wonder if the battery's charged on it. Let's pull the trigger and see. Oh no, it's not doing nothing. Battery probably needs charging. So that's the unboxing of the cute little Saker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. And we're going to charge it up, and in the next video of the demo I'll be making, we'll see how that little thing performs. Thanks for watching, and again, as my good buddy and fishing fanatic who always fishes, Marvelous Marv, who fishes for life from his kayak, always says, until next time, until next video, y'all be easy.